Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be doing a brow tutorial. Mostly the reason why I wanted to create this is because I've had problems with having full brows and they've been in style for so long. I've been so jealous, but what I realized is I could use hair color to fill in the brows and pick up on some of those smaller hairs on your face that are almost invisible and use those to create a fuller looking brow without feeling like I have to fill them in heavily all the time. So this is for you from me. I'll see you soon. Okay, so to get started, first things that you'll need to get together are a bowl that is non-reactive, so either plastic or glass are going to be the best. You can use ceramic as well, but I feel like it's porous, so using glass or plastic are going to be the best for you. The colors you're going to use, which I'm going to be using 1/1 from TG, which is a blue-black, mixed with a 3/0 neutral, also from TG, so that it's not going to be incredibly blue, because sometimes when I do this I end up with very blue eyebrows. Anyway, so you'll want to use a lower developer. 8.5 or even no lift is going to be great for you. And then I also use a conditioner to mix in as well. The hairs are so fine that you don't really need to have it full strength. So today I'm going to be using Marrakesh. And it's not an exact science on mixing this because it's such a small amount. I'm going to be using just a dab of the 1/1. It's going to be equal parts, so then another dab of the 3/0. And just about 1 to 1.5 of that as a mixing ratio, and then mix it up. I do not know the way. We must find a way, not find a way. Yeah, we must find our way. We got the exact amount that we'll want for coloring our brows. And I like to apply it with Q-tips. Pretty much everybody has Q-tips. You can use anything really, but I just feel like Q-tips are small enough and easy enough to use. So here we go. Okay, so I have my color here and my Q-tips, and I'm just going to start applying my As you can see, color takes effect pretty quickly. This is about when I like to get on Snapchat and freak out everybody. Those Groucho marks. Anyway, so once I am done, be about 20 minutes, I'll take it all off, and then I'll show you the midway. After that, we'll go in and you just pluck or wax, depending on your favorite, to get the shape that you want. Okay. Alright, so I plucked the top and the bottom and edged out my corners a little bit, and I really didn't take very much away because I like that full brow, and I'm pretty happy with the result. What do you guys think? I do this about every 2 months or so. Once I see it fade or that it's not looking as full as it could be, that's when I will reapply and start the process over again. But anyway, if you have any questions, hit me up and I will do my best to answer whatever questions you have. All right, see you next time.